You know English. You understand movies, posts, emails. But when it's time to speak, something shutdowns. This video is for that moment. Well, most people think their English is weak, but that's not the case. You're not bad at English, you are stuck in your head. So, in this video, I'll explain why this happens and I'll give you 3 fixes that actually works. Reason number 1. From school onwards, English wasn't taught as a tool. It was taught as something to be judged, to give marks or corrections or public mistakes. So when you talk today, your brain does not think, what do I want to say? Instead, what if I say it wrong? An example of this: in meetings, many people stay silent not because they don't have any ideas, but because they don't want to sound unprofessional. Fix number 1. Stop trying to sound impressive. Instead, start trying to sound clear. Say this without apology. Let me explain this simply. I'm trying to put this into words. Give me a second. These are not weak sentences. These are confident pause sentences. Reason number 2. When you translate from Hindi, your brain works twice as hard. Fluent speakers don't think in words. They think in ready-made patterns. Fix number 2. Use these daily. I feel like this plan will work. What I mean is we need to think about this again. I'm not sure, but we can see if this plan works. That makes sense, but we need to discuss it again. Can you help me with this project? These patterns buy you time and confidence. Reason number 3. Fluent speakers don't use difficult words. They use simple words quickly. Confidence comes from ease, not complexity. Fix number 3. Once a day, once a topic, 20 seconds. Rules: no stopping, no translating, and using simple English. Topic you can try: how your day went. One thing that annoyed you. One thing you are excited about. This builds fluency the same way walking builds balance. A mini practice. Speak after me. Today I feel like I am more excited about this topic. I am not sure, but we can do something about it. What I mean is this is not my work to do. That makes sense, but this makes sense, but we need to discuss this thoroughly. If you want real life communication, not the textbook pressure, subscribe. Next video will be on how to say no politely in English.